How to fix verification code not received on Android. So if you are not receiving a verification code on your Android device, it can be frustrating for you. So here's are some steps you can follow to troubleshoot and resolve the issues. So first of all, you have to check the number that you have entered in your phone. You have to correct your phone number including the country code there. Also, you can check all signal and network connection on the app you are using. Just go, and if you are trying to log into your Facebook account and you can't find if you can't get the verification code on your number, you have to make sure that you have written the correct phone number. Also, you can make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If you don't have, you have to try toggling on the airplane mode and you have to turn it off to reset your network connection. Also, you can ensure that your SMS service is working correctly. Try sending and receiving a message regularly on your messaging app on your Android device. Also, you can navigate to your app info here and go for the clear cache here. So you have to clear the cache of your messaging. Just go and clear the cache of your messaging here. Once you have cleared the cache, you can restart your phone and try again. Also, you can ensure that the number sending the verification code is not blocked on your device. If you have blocked that account or number, you can go to your setting and block number and you can remove any block if necessary. So you can restart your device, which can also sometimes resolve the network or software issue. So with the help of this video, you will know about how you can fix the verification code not receiving on your Android device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.